What's up everybody, it's Gudu, and let's talk Bitcoin because you know this thing is going wild right now. 2025 is right around the corner, and everyone's wondering, will Bitcoin skyrocket to 200 grand? Or are we headed for a massive crash down to 50K? Today we're diving deep into the technicals, the news, and the strategies that will help you navigate this crazy market. We're going to break down the exact trading signals to watch out for on May 1st, 2025, so buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Bitcoin's 2025 performance. Okay, let's talk strategy. May 1st, 2025. Circle this date on your calendars because this is when things could get really interesting. Here's what to watch for. The bull case. If Bitcoin breaks above $150,000 with high trading volume, that's a strong signal that the bulls are in control. But here's the key. Make sure the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, stays below 70. In this scenario, your strategy is simple. Buy the dip. Aim for a target of $180,000 to $200,000. The bear case? On the flip side, if Bitcoin crashes below the $100,000 support level, that's a major red flag. Especially if we see a death cross on the chart, where the 50-day moving average dips below the 200-day moving average. This could signal a deeper correction. If that happens, consider shorting Bitcoin with a stop-loss order set at $105,000. Your target? $70,000. Playing it safe. Now what if Bitcoin is stuck in a trading range between $120,000 and $140,000? Well, in that case, you can still profit by trading the range. Look, I don't care if you're buying Bitcoin at $10,000 or $1 million, you need to have a solid risk management plan. This is how you protect your hard-earned money and avoid making emotional decisions. Rule number 1, and this is non-negotiable, is the 1% rule. Never, and I mean never, risk more than 1% of your total portfolio on any single trade. That means if you've got $10,000 to invest, your maximum bet on Bitcoin should be $100. This limits your downside and keeps you in the game for the long haul. Next up, stop-loss orders. These are your best friend. A stop-loss automatically sells your Bitcoin if the price drops below a certain level, limiting your losses. Set it and forget it. Finally, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes like gold, stocks, and even good old-fashioned cash. So, what's my prediction for Bitcoin in 2025? Look, I'm not a fortune teller, but here's what I'm seeing. If institutional investors continue pouring money into Bitcoin ETFs, and the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates low, I think we could see Bitcoin absolutely explode past $200,000. However, if the government decides to go full-on nuclear with regulations, things could get really ugly, really fast. We could easily see a drop to $70,000 or even lower. The bottom line is this: volatility is opportunity. The key is to be prepared, stay informed, and stick to your plan. Alright, now it's your turn. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Do you think it's going to hit $200,000? Or are you more cautious? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button if you're feeling bullish. Comment bear if you're a little bit worried. And hey, while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So there you have it, guys. Bitcoin in 2025. It's going to be a wild ride, but with the right knowledge and the right strategies, you can set yourself up for success. Do your own research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.